It's my fidget cookie.
You eat made a fidget cookie.
My fidget cookie. It's a little berry.
Or maybe it's a fudge cookie.
Cause
It's
it's
a fudge
crispy.
It's a fudge cookie.
It's a fudge spinner.
Yeah.
Oh man, sometimes the berry pops out, but I made it pretty sized.
Wait, you should send it to Daddy.
I showed
And
him.
it's edible.
It's edible. So I spin it and tastes good. So, just want to show you that.
Creator.
I'm eating it.
Creator. Bye.